Welcome, and today I'm going to show you my final touches of my backyard makeover using Dollar Tree products. So I've been watching this little guy and his friends dig in my bird feeder and eat seeds upside down all summer long, so I decided to make him a little bench. I bought 2 sets of these little green chairs and a tray, and I spray painted it like a beige color. And then I drilled a screw through the tray, the chairs, and through these extra pieces of wood that I put behind each chair to secure them. Oh, and be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to show you my full backyard makeover. So far you guys have only seen bits and pieces of it, but now you get to see the whole thing put together. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support your girl, and let me hurry up and get back to this video. I took a larger piece of scrap wood and I glued it to the bottom of this tray to add extra support. And these corner braces is what's going to secure it to my tree. These Ladybugs used to be wind chimes from Dollar Tree, and I took the chime part off, and I'm going to nail these Ladybugs to the tree to continue my whimsical look. Isn't that cute? And shortly after I put my bench up, look who decided to come over for dinner. He's still eating upside down, but eventually he'll sit in it. I took these butterfly garden stakes and I removed the stake part, and I ended up painting my butterflies yellow so they'll match my decor better, and I'm going to nail these to another tree. My birds are happy. They got their bird feeder all to themselves now. I'm digging up this hole so I could put this log from a leftover project inside of it, and this is going to be the base to my bird bath. I got this plastic bowl from Dollar Tree and these black stones, and I'm going to top it off with this cute red succulent flower. And then I had to glue some larger black stones on top of each other so this could create a stand for the birds to be able to land on. Fill it up with about 2.5 inches of water, and it's all done. So I took these hummingbird feeders and I wanted to create a larger, nicer looking feeder, and I came up with 2 different options on how to do this. The first idea is that you drill a hole in the top of one of the feeders, a hole that's big enough to hold the spout of the second feeder. Then you put the second feeder spout through that hole, and then you could glue it with hot glue to seal the hole. And that way you could put twice as much nectar inside. But I didn't follow this idea all the way through because I really wanted to attract more hummingbirds. So I went with option number 2, where you would just cut off the stem where the hook goes to the first feeder, and then you just hot glue the top of the first feeder to the bottom of the second feeder. That way you have 6 areas where hummingbirds could feed off of. Now, it doesn't matter which option you do. You could always just take some wire, some flexible wire like I have here, and bend it around the flowers and make a little stand for the birds to land on as they feed. And it's still really easy to fill too. I'm not going to fill either of mine up all the way because I still am not at that point where I attract a lot of birds yet. And this nectar needs to be replaced after about 2 or 3 days. I love watching these little guys in the morning. Okay, here comes the backyard makeover reveal. If you want to see the specific video of how I did each project, then click on the link up top. And here's the final view. And I have to say that now that I'm looking at it, I can't believe I did most of this by myself. I absolutely love how everything turned out. And even though summer is about over, I still have one more outside project that I need to do, and I'm gonna show you guys that later. And I also have more work that I want to do inside of my house, so you guys could expect a lot more makeovers from me. But like always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so you can get a notification of future videos. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye.